Emily Midget here today with you to share a 2-minute tip on how you can create a pretty card using just some watercolors, a few die cuts, and some washi tape. The process is super quick and has such pretty results. For the striped panel, I simply created stripes of washi tape across my A2 panel of watercolor paper. You can make thin or thick stripes depending on how far apart you put your washi tape. I taped my panel down to a cutting board and added the sapphire watercolor from Avery Elle's liquid watercolor line using a number 8 silver black velvet paintbrush. Liquid watercolors make it easy to add a lot of concentrated color as I've done here, or add just a subtle wash of diluted color. Pulling the tape off is easy. Once your panel has dried, just pull straight back, slowly, and you won't have to worry about your paper ripping. For the flowers, I first die cut some bold blossoms from the Essentials by Ellen line using Arch's cold press watercolor paper. I kept the die cut pieces within the die cut with some washi tape so that I could more easily blend the watercolor out. I added a dab of concentrated cherry liquid watercolor to the center of the flower, then used my wet paintbrush to pull the color out. This adds just the right amount of subtle shading so that it looks like a little complicated, but it really only takes a few minutes. After my die cuts had dried and I had popped the die cut pieces out, I arranged them and a navy blue Many Thanks die cut on my card front, then picked them up with some press and seal to keep them in the arrangement I had created. After I had adhered the die cuts with liquid adhesive and removed the press and seal, I added a few sequins and some Hero Arts crystal lacquer to add some shiny texture to this matte card front. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy card using just a few basic supplies that you probably already have in your arsenal. Thanks for watching and have a great day.